Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows. I know a lot of you have been requesting it, so I finally have this up. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so this is my natural brow. I just wanted to give you guys a comparison to what the other brow looks like. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with a brush. We're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush number 7B. I really like this brush just because it's super thin and super precise. The product that we will be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. This is my holy grail. I fucking love this shit. Like, it's so good. We're going to start off with brushing our hairs out and then plucking away any visible hairs that there may be. So now I'm going to begin with outlining the bottom of my brow. Before I do this, I like to have my hair brushed up just so I can see where I'm outlining. When outlining my brow, I don't like to outline the beginning of the bottom just because I'll get too much product on there and it'll get all over the place. So I just do the rest, and then with any product that there is left, I just outline very softly at the beginning. As you can see, I'm adding fake hair strokes just because I have missing hairs there and I feel like the eyebrows will look more full that way. That's just what I like to do. It's completely optional. Okay, so now for the top of my brow, I'm just outlining my brow again. I think it's very important to have your eyebrows done just to make the job a lot more easier. So for the top of the beginning of my brow, I don't like to outline it just because I want that fade, and if I add product on there, it'll just cause my eyebrow to look one single color. What I'm doing right here is I'm picking at the outline and dragging down any excess product on there and just shading in with any excess product that I have on the brush. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Brow Powder Duo by Anastasia. I'm just going to be shading in my brow. I'm not putting any product at the beginning of my brow just so I can have that fade. So with this product, I'm lightly shading in. I don't want them to look harsh and filled with too much product. So with every few strokes that I add, I like to brush my hairs out just so it'll help spread the product and it'll also make them look more natural. Okay, so finally going in with concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is my favorite concealer to use when carving out my brows. Also with a flat brush. I love this brush just because it's super precise and I don't have to do much of the work. So now I'm just carving out the brow with the outline that I already had for the top and bottom. But for the top of the beginning, I don't carve that out just because I want that fade and I want my little hairs to be sticking out. It'll help the brow look natural as possible. So for the last step, I'm using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I really like to use this just because it really helps to keep your hairs in place. Okay, so this is my finished brow. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know in the comments section down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Thank you guys so much for watching.